Okay. Hi, my name is Xingyi. This is my game gala presentation. Okay. Here's a demo of my game. Here's the menu page, and you can press the X to quit the game, like this. Um, okay, sorry, I'm just gonna run it again. Um, and you can press the play button to start the game. So we are the mouse, and we can like control it. You can go up, down, left, and right. And as you can see, the cat will follow us, and if we touch it, we'll die. Our goal is to get the cheese, and then if we get five of them, we can go to the next level, and the levels will never end as long as you can survive. Um, so here I'm just gonna play the game. Again, you can press this to quit. Next level. Level two, we added a bomb. Oh, yeah. If you touch it, you'll die. It explodes. Um, we also have these restart buttons. If you let's say at level two, you press it, you'll go back to level one and it will enter your score. Okay, so here, it restarts. Yeah. Um, so that's pretty much it. It's my game. Yeah. Okay. I get my idea of the project from Tom and Jerry. Because there's cats and mice. Um, and basically we're running away from the cat. And it's also similar to the survival game because our goal is to survive to the end. Here are some code examples. This one's key binding. So it's basically how we control the character to go up, down, left, and right. Here, as you can see, if we press up, it'll go up, press down, it'll go down. Um, and also if it exceeds through the border, it just goes to the other end of it. Yeah. And here's another example. It's classes, and this is the enemy class. It's a blueprint for the enemy for the cat, and here's the code for like its actions. And here's the properties of it. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.